Hello, traders everywhere. This is Jeremy Lutz standing in for Adam Hewson while he is out of town today. And we're just you're looking to take a look at his homepage here. We're just going to take a quick look at what the market's looking at today. Of course, everyone knows we had a strong close to the downside with the markets on Friday, and it was looking a little bleak. And it seems that the markets are trying to come out and make a little recovery today. But we'll take a look at here real quick and let's get right to it. So first thing we're going to look at is the Dow. As you can see down here, it's still a minus 60. We're still in a downtrend, so we're still in a sidelines mode, really looking for this to make a move to the upside to trigger that green weekly that we've been waiting for. Move to the next market, the S&P's much the same deal. Still in a sidelines mode. I guess it's early in the week on Monday. People are just trying to kind of get a sense of what's going on, where this week's going to take us. Taking a look at silver here. Silver's, of course, been a hotly contested market, and it's something that I talk to our members quite a bit about all the time. What's going on with silver. And as you can see, we still got short at 35.21 at 623, and we're currently short now, trading a level of 33.376. Looks like a pretty good trade there to the downside. And with the negative 70, the trend might be weakening a little bit, but from the chart action here, it looks like it's going to continue to the downside. Gold, much the same story. Big news last week, we went short, exited our weekly positions to the long side, and short-term traders got down and got in there at 15, 13, 18, now trading at 14.92.37. Looks like a pretty good call by the trade triangles there on the gold market. Oil, I know if you're excited like me, and I drive a big truck, I was glad to see the relief at the pump this weekend. I actually saw some cases where the gas was down about 11 cents a gallon, which was huge, especially going into this 4th of July weekend. Hopefully that trend will continue, because I know I like to save some money on gas with all the running around I have to do. So negative 90, trend still in its strong downtrend, looking for this market to head lower. Dollar index still struggling in just kind of a sidelines pattern that you can see here, currently trading at 75.371. Our score still a negative 65, so we're still in that sidelines mode. It really hasn't established a trend either way, up or down. I know we all wish that to see the dollar move up to the stronger side and hopefully starve off some of that inflation we've been seeing. Reuters Jeffrey, the inflation marker that Adam's always talking about, still heading in the downtrend, still a negative 100, still a very strong downtrend to the downside. Moving on here, we're looking at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, as you can see, it's just had some, it's just kind of been bouncing along sideways for the last 5 or 6 days. Trend still at a negative 75, not quite to the sidelines mode, but it's definitely trying to make a push to that side. SKF, I know this is Adam's been kind of tracking this along. We're still in a plus 90, still in a strong uptrend. It's a little down for today, but we're still looking for that trend to continue overall and head to the stronger side. USO, a big moves down here, as you can see with oil. Same with the crude futures. Definitely got short on the monthly there at 37.72, currently trading 35.43 to the downside. Still negative 100, strong downtrend. Look for this to continue until the crude prices stabilize and head more to the upside. But I really wish and hope that they don't. I'd like to see that get a little lower as well. Back to silver. So I think that'll take a look at what we're doing today with the market update. Looking just to start out on Monday, kind of finish up hopefully a little higher than we did on Friday at that low close for the last week. Be sure you turn in tomorrow at 1 o'clock, where Susan Jackson will be giving you her analysis of the markets. And I believe Adam will be back by the end of the week, and we should have his expert analysis and maybe one more of those rants that everyone seemed to enjoy so much over the weekend. So for Jeremy Lutz, this is Market Club 1 p.m. update, and we'll see you on the web.